Hey everyone, I'm going to teach you how to make a basic main menu script and teach you how to go from scene to scene. It's just going to be a main menu to your current level for now, and I will make a pause function and save function in the future, but till then, let's get into it. Here we have our main scene, which is level 1, and then we have a main menu scene, which right now is just empty. But before you do anything, you always want to make sure you put the scenes in your build index. What this does is it makes sure it's always running. So here we have main menu level 1. If we write all the code and everything is working, but for some reason your scenes aren't transitioning, it's because you don't have scenes in your build. So you gotta make sure you always have that. And if you're ever thinking of which one goes first, the main menu will always go first. Everything else does not matter. It could be in any order. So let's start with the main menu. What we're gonna do now is add a UI and add a panel. And then in this panel, here is our main menu. We're now going to add a button. So you're going to go to UI, button, and it's going to tell you to import these text modules. You can import them. You can add different text modules, but right now it doesn't really matter, so we're just going to import them anyways. Okay, after that takes forever. You now have text modules, so you can write whatever you want in this. Here we'll just do new game. And we're now going to add a empty object, and you can call it whatever. We're going to call it pause manager. And right now it's just an empty object. We're going to go in script. We're going to create a new script, and you can call this menu manager if you'd like. And what we're going to do in this is where we're going to change our scenes. So let's open that. So here it is. And we're actually going to erase all this. We're going to add public void. We could just do we'll do new game actually, because we're in the main menu. So we'll do new game, and this is going to be our function to make a new game. And all we're going to do now is we're going to do scene manager dot load scene, and then whatever your scene is, like our original scene was level 1, so you're literally just going to put the string of what it is. And then you're also going to want to add using Unity scene management, which we actually already have. Alright, that's all the code you need here. And this is going to give the new game button function. Okay, after it's all done compiling, never mind. Okay, there you go. We are now going to go into the pause manager. We're going to drag the script onto that. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to go on to button. We have an on-click function right here. We're going to add plus. We're going to drag the pause manager onto that empty object. And right now we have no function attached, so we're going to click that. Go to menu manager, which is the name of our script. And we're going to add the new game function onto that. So now, let's file save. When we start the game, new game should load into level 1. There you go, we're going to start, we're going to click new game, and there you go, we got put into our scene, just like that, very easy.